looks like somebody replaced my notepad with a calculator or something here. So I'm gonna give support a call and see if they can't help me out with this issue. So I know the number is right here on the desktop, and I'll give them a call now.
That's MachMotion. Aaron speaking. How can I help you?
Hey Aaron, this is Ennis. I was just wondering, there's a notepad on my desktop, but on my screen here, but it's now a calculator. I was just wondering if there's a way that you can possibly help me try to switch that back or something.
Sure, absolutely.
Okay.
There's going to be a service tab
Okay.
On the bottom of your MachMotion screen. If you click on that
Okay.
for me,
Yeah, I see it
click
here.
on and then go ahead and click on remote support there.
Okay.
And go ahead and follow the prompts.
All right. All right.
Just ask for your name and your company name.
Yeah.
Just click connect.
All right. It's connecting.
Perfect. All right, there'll be a couple more prompts if you click accept or allow access for me.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And then there'll be one more prompt coming back to you. Just give you a few moments there. All right.
There it is.
Go ahead and click accept. Yep.
Okay.
There was one more there. Perfect. I'm connected now.
All right.
Thank you so much. I'm going to readjust the screen for a second so that way I can see everything.
Okay.
All right. So it looks here you have the calculator here that needs to be changed to a notepad. Is that correct?
Yeah. Yeah. Right there.
Okay. Perfect. I'm going to change the dashboard here. I'm going to go to the second position. And then we'll click on notepad right down here.
Okay.
Click on save.
Okay.
And then that changes it over.
Yeah, that's exactly how it was. Hey, thanks. I appreciate it.
Hey, no problem. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, man, that was easy. Man, I'm glad that remote support. It's like having a technician, but you're remotely, I guess.
Exactly. Awesome. Well, give us a call if you need anything else, okay?
All right. Thank you, Aaron.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.